आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं CUET NT नेट JRF फैक्ट प्लस PhD एंट्रेंस टेस्ट 2025 बेस्ट PYQ सीरीज। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्निक इज यूज टू विजुअलाइज लेटेंट फिंगरप्रिंट ऑन पोरस सरफेस। ऑप्शन है सुपर ग्लू, फ्यूमिंग, निनहाइड्रिन, फिजिकल डेवलपर, सिल्वर नाइट्रेट। करेक्ट आंसर हुआ निनहाइड्रिन, बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द स्टडी ऑफ स्केलेटन रिमेन टू डिटरमाइन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सच एज सेक्स, एज and ancestry is known as forensic anthropology. Next question है, what is the term of examination of digital devices and data for forensic purposes? इसका आंसर होगा साइबर फोरेंसिक। The study of pollen and plant spores were found in and around a crime scene is known as palynology. The study of insects found on decomposing remains to estimate the time since death is known as forensic entomology. Kit began. Study of insects. Which of the following is a technique used for the examination of question document? Ink dating. The study of hair and fiber found at crime scene for forensic analysis is known as forensic trichology. What is the term for the analysis of firearm discharge residue to determine the distance from which a firearm was discharged? Gunshot residue analysis. The study of the chemical composition and identification of illicit drugs is known as forensic drug analysis. Which of the following is not a type of DNA sequence variation used in forensic DNA analysis? Ribosomal DNA or DNA. Thank you for watching my video. For more educational content, like, share and subscribe.